If you are running ads on multiple platforms and you're tired of logging into 5 different dashboards just to see your results, then this video is for you. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your ad platforms using Windsor.ai, one of the most powerful marketing analytics tools that helps you centralize all your data in one place so you can build dashboards and track performance like a pro, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to the official website of Windsor.ai, which is Windsor.ai. From here, as you may notice, you have the ability to start for free because Windsor.ai is a marketing analytics tools and attribution software that connects all your marketing data into one unified dashboard. So instead of you checking Facebook ads, Google Analytics, CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, you can see everything in one place because it supports 300 plus data integrations and connects with tools like TikTok organic, Twitter ads. Basically, there's a lot. Google Looker Studio, Power BI, Tableau, and even Google Sheets. With this, all I have to do is super simple. If you want to log in, if you have already an account here, just log in using your credentials. But since this is our first experience using Windsor.ai, all you have to do is click the register button and it would ask you to put in all this information. To make the account creation faster, you can sign up using your Google, your Microsoft, or with a single sign-on. It depends on your preferences. So all I have to do is just provide all the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account, you need to head over to the left side panel of your dashboard. This is where the magic happens because you need to select the data sources and choose the platform you want to connect. So you have multiple options here: Facebook ads, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna choose YouTube. Scroll down here and click the platform you need to log in so that you can grant permissions and confirm connection. Now here, all I have to do is confirm the connection, so you'll start seeing the data sync automatically. Click the preview destination. Okay, so after connecting your sources, you need to decide where you want the data to go. Because Windsor.ai allows you to export data to Google Looker Studio, ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot. Basically, there's a lot that you can choose from at the bottom. Okay, but for beginners, mostly we recommend using the Google Looker Studio because it's free and easy to use. But if you have already a selected destination, generate your API key and follow the connection instructions provided. So in this case, I am choosing Google Sheets because it's more friendly for beginners and it's easy to follow the instructions. Now, from here, all I have to do is add the destination. Click that button. You will be forwarded here. Provide the task name, sheet name if you want, the target cell, and the document. It's up to you. When you are ready, click the save button. Want to make sure that everything is correct right here and click the save button. Another option that you can do is you can also load your data into Google Sheets by installing the Windsor.ai extension. I want you to click on it and click the install button and allow all of these permissions. Add data and analytics by Windsor AI can access all of these. Hover down below and click the continue button. Once the extension has been installed, all I have to do is choose the fields that you wanted to add. For example, account ID, annotation, and if you want to add a custom field, you can do so. After that, you may notice that there is like a bar here wherein you can copy that data URL to clipboard or choose the three dots icon instead because this gives you two options. Copy JSON API URL or download the CSV file if you want it. It's up to you. But for now, once you have done everything is clear, now if you click the disk option, it gives you the ability to save your data URL. So in this case, we're going to rename it as Windsor.ai tutorial. Click the save button. Once everything is clear, all I have to do is hover to the top right corner where you can see the buy now button. There's a drop down menu if you want to click on it, but certainly if you click that, you will be forwarded to the pricing plans. Right now, we are using the free plan, which gives you the 30-day trial period, one user, but it's kind of limited. Okay? The most popular is the basic, which is $19, and you have to get all of these perks and benefits like unlimited users, 3 data sources, 75 accounts, unlimited BI syncs, 5 destination tasks, and a daily scheduled sync for destination tasks. And of course, the standard plan gives you all these, plus gives you that. The professional account, which is $499 per month, and you get to have all these. The enterprise is something that you need to contact the sales department so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business needs, business size, and goals. But for now, you might want to go to the free plan. You get used to it, immerse yourself with Windsor.ai and how it can help you with your business needs. Remember, if you want to save time and skip the complicated setup, this is where templates become a game changer. Basically, Windsor.ai offers ready-made templates designed for the most popular reporting tools out there. All I have to do is go to the resources. You have multiple options here. For example, we're going to go to the Looker Studio templates. This is perfect if you're building interactive dashboards and want real-time marketing reports without starting from scratch. Remember earlier, it's kind of really it takes a lot. It takes a lot of time. They also offer the Power BI template, which is ideal for deep data analysis, advanced visualizations, and enterprise level reporting. Okay? So you have multiple options here. And if you want to view all the templates that they provide, okay, you can do so. Just hover down below. And of course, remember that you can always choose the products for destinations, data sources, and AI insights. Okay? And at this point, you also have the option to book a demo with one of their sales consultants so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your business size, needs, and goal. All I have to do is choose the date, confirm the booking, and they'll be more than glad to sit around and provide solutions that fits your business needs, size, and goals. My client has been using Windsor.ai for quite some time, and let me tell you that it's not limited to Google Sheets that we have provided earlier. You can choose from Facebook Ads, Google Ads Manager, Google Merchant Center, and I find it very helpful if you use Windsor.ai, especially for TikTok Shop. If you click on it, again, it's the similar procedure. You just have to grant the TikTok Shop access and follow the on-screen sections. And having said all of that, and basically that wraps up our beginner's tutorial on Windsor.ai. Especially if you've been struggling to connect your marketing data, switching between dashboards, or manually exporting reports every week, tools like Windsor.ai are built to eliminate exactly that headache. With over 325 plus data connectors, you can pull data from platforms like Facebook Ads, Google Ads, TikTok, Shopify, and more, all into one clean, centralized system. No coding required, no complicated setup. For beginners, what makes Windsor.ai powerful is its simplicity. You have easy integrations, automated reporting, cross-channel attribution, and of course, AI-driven insights. So instead of spending hours compiling reports, you can actually focus on scaling campaigns and improving ROI. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop your questions in the comments below. We'll love to hear from you. And of course, do not forget to use our affiliate link in the video description if you'd like to try Windsor.ai. Your support truly helps the channel grow. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.